That's right, this is my first ever backpacking trip. Me and my brother have decided to hike this beautiful lookout point in the state of Washington. It's a short 2 mile hike to the summit. Well, a short one if you stay on the trail. You see, at this moment, we lost our way and completely went off the trail. We kept climbing like mountain goats, hoping that we would get back on trail, but we never did. We didn't realize that until this moment right here. We hit a dead end. There's no way to proceed or go back. Oh, did I mention about the views? They're freaking awesome. Seriously, look at that. Fortunately, my brother found a way to get back on the trail, but it's not that easy. After a little while, we gathered courage and crawled down the mountain 1 inch at a time, and eventually got back on the trail. Luckily, we reached the summit just before the sunset, set up our camp, and got ready for stargazing. And we woke up to this insane view. I might forget many things in my life, but this hike is definitely not one of them.